Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to place a short position using future derivatives trade signals on your Bybit. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're new to our YouTube channel, and also turn on that notification button so you can get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here is the home page of your Bybit account, where you'll be seeing the home, market, trade, and asset right here. So right now you just go ahead and click on this trade because you want to be placing trade on futures, right? So you click on it. So once you click on it, this is what you'll be seeing. This is how it's going to look like. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. This is our Telegram channel and you can see the signal that has been dropped right here. You can see ETC, USDT. So right now let's go back to our Bybit app to search for our crypto pair. So right here on your Bybit app, if you want to search for any crypto pair, you tap right here. So we're just going to type there. Then you type in the crypto pair you are searching for right here. So I'm just going to type in ETC USDT. So right here you can see ETC USDT right here. So I'm just going to click on it. Once I click on it, this is how it's going to pop up. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel to set our entry and level. So right here on our Telegram channel you can see direction, which is short, which means sell, right? So you can see risks, use amount that means nothing to you. You always want to be risking what you are comfortable losing, right? So right now let's go to our Bybit app to set our leverage. On our Bybit app, if you want to set your leverage right here, you click on it. You bring it down to 3x, which is the recommended leverage for new beginners traders. Then you click on save right here. You click on save. So right here where it's showing isolated, you click on it. If it's on cross margin before, you change it to isolated, which is the recommended margin for new beginners traders. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel to set our entry. So right here on our Telegram channel you can see our entry right here, which is 28.317. So right now let's go to our Bybit app to set our entry. So right here on our Bybit app, if you want to set our leverage, this is where we're going to type in. So let's put in our leverage, our entry, sorry. So you can see our entry right here, which is 28.317. So right here is where you select the amount of ETC token you want to get, right? So you're just going to input in the amount, or you use the slider right here. So I'm going to use the slider. So right here you can see I'm purchasing 0.2 ETC token, and right here you can see the value right here. You can see the value right here and the cost. You can see the cost of it right here. So right now let's click on our take profit. Let's set our take profit right here. You click on it. So you click on it right here. Remember, we are shorting this pair, so you change it from long to short, right? So we're just going to click on this short icon. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel to set our take profit and stop loss. On our Telegram channel right here you can see our stop loss right here, which is 28.626. So right now let's go to our Bybit app to set our stop loss. So right here on our Bybit app, if you want to set your stop loss, this is where you're going to put it. So right now let's put in our stop loss to 8.626. So right here you can see the amount you're going to be losing if this trade should go against you. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel to set our. You can see our take profit right here. You can see, which is 27.852. So let's go back to our Bybit app to set our take profits. So right here on our Bybit app, this is where you put in your take profit. So we're just going to put in our take profit, and you can see the amount you're going to be profiting if this trade should go in your direction. So after setting everything, you now click on this confirm icon right here. You click on confirm, then you check if everything is okay, then you now click on this sell icon right here. You click on this sell icon. Now once you click on sell, then you click on confirm right here. Once you click on confirm, then you can see your order has been placed. So until market reach this order price you placed on this trade, then it will trigger and it will be on position right here. So this is the simplest way of placing trade on your Bybit using future derivatives trade signals. So if you're watching this video up to this time, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button. And if you're also watching this video, you don't have a Bybit account, there will also be a link in the description below where you can create your account and get a discount for doing that. There will be a link in the description below also to our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.